The trends report is primarily used to quickly break down performance of the offers you're promoting. While it's a great way to see the best performing offers, poor performing offers, or analyzing revenue for any given date range by offer, it actually shows so much more. Once logged into your Klarifi account, click on Reporting from the left navigation sidebar, and then click on Trends. Once you're in, choose the date range you want to analyze, and then once chosen, click the Refresh button. Here you'll see all of the offers that had revenue or clicks during that date range. First, sorted by revenue. You can easily filter the reports by clicking on Revenue, Clicks, or EPC. For example, click on Clicks twice to see the reporting sorted by offers that had the highest clicks during that date range. Or click on EPC twice to see the offers that had the best EPCs. As you click and clarify, you can often dig deeper and see more granular data, such as clicking on View List for an offer to see the revenue and clicks of an offer broken down by list. Alternatively, click on View Content to see the best performing creatives for that offer. It will only show creatives that were sent during that date range selected. And like we showed you earlier in the Trends report, you can easily filter and sort this data by the different email metrics like open rate or revenue. This feature is amazing for quickly determining the best performing email creatives for an offer.